Price Analysis 1/31, BTC ETH BNB, ADA, Sol, XRP, Luna, Doge, AVAX. BTC and altcoins are attempting to end January on a positive note by overcoming overhead resistance levels as Bitcoin aims to flip $40,000 back to support Bitcoin. BTC started 2022 on a losing note, dropping about 20% to its worst performance in January since 2018. Now, all eyes turn to February, which has historically favored the bulls. The only two negative closes in February were in 2020 and 2014. One positive sign during the recent price decline has been that the long-term hodlers have not panicked. Glassnode data shows that the number of coins that last moved between 5 and 7 years ago surged to a new all-time high. El Salvador's President Nayib Bukele projected a gigantic price increase for Bitcoin. Bukele's prediction is based on the fact that if the millionaires of the world, who are more than 50 million in number, want to buy at least one Bitcoin, there isn't enough supply to fulfill that demand. Could Bitcoin and the major altcoins end the month on a strong note? Let's study the charts of the top 10 cryptocurrencies to find out. BTC/USD. Bitcoin has pulled back in a strong downtrend. In a sliding market, the sentiment is to sell on rallies rather than buy the dips, as traders make more money on the downside. The first sign of a change in sentiment will be a break, and close above the 20-day exponential moving average, EMA, at $39,318. Such a move will indicate that demand exceeds the supply near the 20-day EMA resistance. The BTC/USD pair could then march toward the 50-day simple moving average, SMA, $43,791. ETH/USD. ETH is facing resistance near the breakdown level at $2,652, but a minor positive is that bulls have not given up much ground. This suggests that traders are buying the dips as seen from the long tail on Jan 31's candlestick. The bulls will now again try to push the price above $2,652 and the critical resistance at the 20-day EMA. And the distance to plants because it's species, and the tins at it to the bottom of the pile, and then the distance at to fly, the jar. The tempted difference in terms of the piece and plants and pie, but since it's to times of the down. And then the divine of the two zappa, the tempted that didn't have the time to try to down. And tells it about the details of Jills and Fowls, that gives us the details of Jills and by them, but tell us out. If they succeed, it will suggest that the selling pressure could be reducing. The bulls will then see an opening and attempt to push the pair to the resistance line of the channel. Contrary to this assumption, if the price turns down from the current level of the 20-day EMA, the bears will attempt to pull the ETH/USD pair to the $2,300 to $2,159 support zone. The bears will have to sink and sustain the price below this zone to clear the path for a further decline to $1,700. BNB/USD. Binance Coin BNB re-entered the channel on Jan 25, but the recovery faltered near $400. This suggests that the bears have not yet given up and are selling on rallies if bears sink and sustain the price below the channel. The BNB/USD pair could again retest the critical support zone at $330 to $320. The downswing moving averages and the RSI in the negative territory indicate that sellers hold the edge. The pair could plummet to $250 if the $320 support gives way, as several traders are likely to panic and rush to the exit. This negative view will invalidate in the short term on a break and close above the 20-day EMA. The pair could then rise to the ADA/USD. The failure of the bulls to secure a meaningful rebound off the psychological support at $1 indicates a lack of aggressive buying at this level. The bears will now attempt to build upon their advantage and sink Cardano. ADA below $1, both moving averages are sloping down and the RSI is in the negative zone, indicating that the bears are in command. A break and close below $1 could signal the start of the next leg of the downtrend. The ADA/USD pair could first drop to 80 cents. And then to the support line of the channel. The bulls will have to push and sustain the price above the resistance line of the channel to signal a change in trend. Sol/Ust. Solana SOL has been consolidating in a tight range between $80.83 $104.82 for the past few days. The bulls tried to push the price above the range but failed, and now the bears will try to grab the opportunity and attempt to pull the altcoin below $80.83 if they succeed. The SOL/Ust pair could resume its downtrend. The pair could first drop to the support line of the channel where the bulls may attempt to arrest the decline. If they fail in their endeavor, the pair could plunge to $66.03. On the contrary, if the price rebounds off $80.83, the pair may extend its stay inside the range for a few more days. The buys may gain strength if they push and sustain the pair above the breakdown level at $116. XRP/Ust. Ripple. XRP has been consolidating between 54 cents and 65 cents for the past few days. After failing to cross above the overhead resistance, the price could now drop to the support of the range. The downswing moving averages and the RSI in the oversold territory indicate advantage to bears. The critical level to watch on the downside is 54 cents because if it cracks, the XRP/Ust pair could drop to 50 cents. This level is likely to act as a strong support as a break, and close below it could lead to panic selling. On the upside, a break and close above the 20-day EMA, 66 cents will be the first sign that bulls are on a comeback. Luna/Ust. Terra's Luna token is struggling to sustain the rebound off the support line of the descending channel. This indicates that sentiment is negative and demand dries up. If the bounce again fails to sustain the higher levels, the sellers may smell an opportunity and try to sink the Luna/Ust pair below the channel. If they succeed, the pair could drop to $37.50, which may act as strong support.